Hey guys, this is Jay and welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, this is Jay and welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you the final result of my daughter's bedroom makeover that I did a few months ago. I have been debating if I'm gonna do it or not because the duvet cover that I got for the girls, I don't really like how it looks in the bedrooms. It's too busy, there's too much going on. So I decided to just do a tour without the duvet cover. Their duvet is white, so I figure I'm just gonna take off the duvet and then just do the whole tour for you guys because that's the only thing that's missing anyways. The rest of the bedroom is pretty much done. So I'm really excited to share it with you guys because this is long overdue, and finally I get to show you what my daughter's bedroom at the moment. So I hope you guys like this video, gave this video a thumbs up, and of course subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Enjoy, and I will see you on my next one. So before we jump on to the tour, I just want to give you guys a recap on how the bedroom looks like before all the renovations. This is just a mess, a mismatched bed. This is their toddler bed from when they're little, and just a lot of knickknacks in the bedroom that we didn't really need. There's just a lot of clutter, and I'm really glad that I did this renovation, and it just lift up the mood of the bedroom and kind of, make it more appropriate for their age. I took out all the dressers as well as the bookshelf, and it just makes the room a little bit more roomy since I'm gonna put 2 beds. I'm also gonna redo their closet, but I'm gonna do a separate video on that. And as you can remember, we also installed a new curtain rods and changed the curtains, and I also installed a floating shelf, and this is the plan that I made at the very beginning. If you guys want to see all the previous video of how I did all of this, just go through my channel and you could find every makeover video that I did a few months ago, and this is just a little recap for you so you can remember if you have watched that already.